Hello everybody, here I am going to do an FPV flight with Parrot Disco in the mountains, where I fly for the first time 1 kilometer distance with a Parrot Bebop 1 in 2015. Kind of a mess preparing all the stuff here. Now I can see. Now the main reason of this flight is to see how can I reach the village from here. The village is there, as you can see now. It's far away from here. Let's see if I can reach the village. It's about 2 or 3 kilometers from the village to here, and I don't know if I will maintain the connection until I reach the village. So let's see. Now the disco is about 1 kilometer distance, and we are reaching the place. On your left, on your right, you can see a structure abandoned for a long time, and I have some old video there. This structure down there on the right screen. On the right of the screen, I have some video done myself and my father visiting that place somewhere in the 90s. I have recorded in an old Sony camera, Video 8 analog. I gotta find that video. I don't know where it is, or if it even exists. Now I'm trying to reach my house, my grandfather's house. Was from my grandfather's. Okay, the village is very near now. We're about almost 2 kilometer distance. And down there is my house. On the middle of the screen, there. Okay, let's tilt the camera down to see better. Here you go. You can see these mounts of houses from other Bebop videos I have made. Okay, here they are. 2 kilometers from where I am now. I have flown all over this place in 2015, 2016, and so on. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, let's turn to the village now, and we're on. The signal is start to failing at 2.5 kilometers, and the failing, and it fails. I hope it returns. It seems the connection between the Sky Controller 2 and the Parrot Disco have broke. 2 kilometers and 300 meters distance, and it is returning at fast speed because the wind is behind the disco. Damn it. And is returning very fast. Let's see when we get the connection again. Okay, something is happening, and connection reestablished. Returning home anyways. Returning home. Let's see the structure again. The abandoned structure again for many years. Here you go. I think this was to create some kind of creating animals there, something like that, I don't know. Take a look at that. Here you go. And after all the years, still abandoned. I don't know what was the year. I don't know if they ever have finished the structures. I don't think so. And is returning in full throttle. It's an amazing view from there. The mountains, everything. Okay, it's here. Over my head.
Here I am. Sideburns.
Okay, let's go fly again. On that place I have done some flights. I have done on this road with the Bebop following this little town, and that lake too. Here's so I call the starting point there.
The hell are those people doing there?
It's hard to maintain the disco in place. And there are cars in there. I don't know why and what the hell are that people doing there in this place. Here they are. Bye. Just passing by. And let's climb this road. And go to the other place. I started the Bebop 1 and Bebop 2 to do a flight plan on 2-kilometer distance, and where I break the camera of the Bebop 1 on the power cables. If you remember my older videos, there it was there. Let's see if we can go there now.
That was the place. There.
Climb a little. There we go.
There's people there too.
There. Those power cables. There, I started the flight from that crossroad here, and that's power cables.
Now let's return home.
Power lines. That posts have 40 meters high.
And
look at how big this is.
2-kilometer distance.
And I set the flight plan to 3 meters high. And fortunately, the first time with the Bebop 1, he just passed through the wires. But in the second flight plan I was doing, and I never did it, the Bebop 1 collided with the lines. I thought it was I don't know what was that at that time. I tried the second time, and the second time collided with the lines, and the camera turned out of focus because it was damaged with the impact of the Bebop 1 into the power lines. Okay, I'm returning now, as you can see. The sun is getting lower, the end of the day, and there is the place where I have done some FPV video with the lake and that old house, abandoned old house, and that's all.
Piece of cake. Good piece of cake. Okay, I see myself and the car. Oh, there. So where the hell am I going to land? Some fumes. Okay, now it's circling the area, I think. Yes. I was going to like a goddamn carousel. 50. So where the hell am I? I cannot land this thing with the glasses. Here we go. Another crash landing. Another crash landing. Fuck. Safe.
So this was my flight. Thank you for watching. At the end was very difficult and I have to take the glasses off, the FPV goggles.